What we're going to be talking about today is Mazda's 2022 CX-5 Premium Plus. Absolutely incredible vehicle. Some of the features with the new 2022 Mazda CX-5 are the 19-inch alloy rims, which are absolutely gorgeous with the two-tone silver and black look. Gives it a nice, stylish, bold impression. And Mazda is all about bold impressions. Another awesome feature with the Mazda CX-5 are the power fold-out mirrors. When you unlock your car, as you can see, they fold out, which is an awesome feature. When we open the car here, Mazda also has keyless entry. So we're going to lock it here just to kind of show you. You walk up to the car, you push the button twice, and that automatically unlocks your vehicle. When we open the door here, what we see is an absolutely gorgeous interior of a vehicle. Mazda CX-5 has 100% genuine leather seats. You also have 8-way power seats, 2 memory settings, lumbar support, and you even have an adjustment for your thighs for greater support while you're driving. Mazda comes equipped, or the Premium Plus comes equipped, with a full suite of safety features. You have smart brake support. How that works is speeds between 2 miles per hour and 98 miles per hour. If the onboard computer thinks that there's an unavoidable collision about to happen and you don't hit the brakes, this vehicle is going to hit the brakes to help save your life and possibly avoid a collision. Next, you have blind spot monitoring. Blind spot monitoring is located on your door mirrors. If a vehicle comes up in your blind spot, the corresponding mirror is going to light up. If you put your directional on while that car is in the blind spot, the corresponding mirror will blink and you will hear a beeping inside the cabin to warn you, hey, there's a car in your blind spot. Awesome feature. CX-5 here also has, it's called Lane Departure Assist. That activates at speeds of 40 miles per hour or greater. When you're driving, if you start to veer out of the lane without putting your directional on, the steering wheel will gradually guide you back into the center of the lane. Now you can turn that feature off and have just a warning system if that's what you prefer. Mazda also has called Radar Cruise Control for those long drives. With Radar Cruise Control, you simply set your speed on the freeway, you set your distance, and then as you're driving along, if you're doing, say, 70 miles per hour, and you come behind a vehicle that's doing 60 miles per hour, your Mazda is going to automatically slow down and match the speed of the car in front of you. It will match their speed all the way down to 0. It's a phenomenal feature. It allows you to just simply steer the wheel. The vehicle does the braking and the accelerating. Next, Mazda also has, it's called heads-up act display on the Premium Plus. With that heads-up act display, that is located on the windshield. That is a digital display that pops up and it shows you how fast you're going. So it shows your speedometer. Your blind spot monitoring pops up there as well. And with the navigation system, turn-by-turn direction. The Mazdas also have, it's called G-Vectoring Steering Plus. Now with that G-Vectoring Steering Plus, when you turn, the vehicle takes the torque off the front end, puts the torque on the back end, then it applies brake force to the outer wheels. And what that does for you during that turn is it balances out your SUV and greatly reduces the G-force inside the cabin. Once again, for a safe, fun, yet engaging drive. And Mazda's all about safety. And they're all about having a fun drive. With the Premium Plus in the back seats here, it's a 5-passenger vehicle with 5 seat belts. What's nice, in the armrest, you have a couple of different things going on. In the armrest, you have heated seats high, medium, low. You also have USB ports so that your passengers can charge their cellular devices, iPads, or whatnot while you're driving. Excellent feature for if you have kids or just your friends. It's a wonderful, wonderful feature. You also have, with the Mazda CX-5, you have a power liftgate. You just hold down the button on your fob. The liftgate automatically opens. Very convenient for you. And what's nice here, it's a mid-size SUV with excellent cargo space. You have a 40-40-20 split on the seats. Those seats do fold down flat, and they're easy to let down with the handles here, here, and here for your convenience. Now, this particular Mazda has a 10-speaker Bose system, and if we lift up your cargo here, you have your full-size spare tire and your 10th speaker right there for a phenomenal sound system. Just incredible. You also have anchors in the back on your seats. That is for car seats for added safety measures. There's anchors up front and anchors in the back as well. You also have tie-down anchors here. So that if you're driving and you need to anchor something down, there's anchors there as well. This Mazda also comes equipped with a backup camera. What's nice about that backup camera is it has a feature called rear cross traffic alert. What rear cross traffic alert does is it detects animals, people, and most importantly, vehicles. Mazda has really stepped up their game because they can detect these things even at night, which is what we really need when we're driving. Mazda gets 26 miles to the gallon, 30 highway for phenomenal gas savings for your budget. When we come around to the other side here, we'll see that the Mazda's CX-5 has the machine gray metallic black. It's just a nice liquid look to the vehicle. Mazda has a saying, it's called Kodo, which stands for soul of motion. And even when the vehicle's standing still, it kind of looks like it's moving. It's an absolutely gorgeous masterpiece of a vehicle. It's loved by many and will be loved by many more. With that being said, this is Jason signing off here. Excellent vehicle. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you.